Let's learn how to fix this problem whereby the portrait option is not actually showing in the camera app of the Redmi Note 14. So when you open the camera app of the Redmi Note 14, you can actually see the Pro Documents Video Photo Slow Motion, but you're unable to see the portrait option. So to solve that problem, this is what you're going to do. Make sure you're within the camera app of the Redmi Note 14, and then make sure you scroll to the more option right here. Tap on more, and then you're going to tap the edit option right here. Now please make sure that you're actually able to visualize the portrait option. Right now it's actually shown right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold, and then to move it down just like this, then move it the low part right here. Okay, when you've done that, come right here, tap the tick. Okay, now when you come back to the over the layout like this, you see the video photo slow motion, and you can actually see the portrait option is now available after editing that. Okay, and that is how you add the portrait option and fixing the problem whereby the portrait option is actually not showing in the camera app of the Redmi Note 14. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel if you actually get value in this video.